The Westinghouse 14500 Pequot Tri-Fuel Home Backup Portable Generator is a robust, versatile machine that promises reliability and convenience for those seeking a dependable power source during unexpected outages or outdoor adventures. This generator stands out due to its unique tri-fuel capability, allowing users to operate it on gasoline, propane, or natural gas. In a world where energy needs can fluctuate, this feature enhances its adaptability, making it a worthy investment for various situations. One of the most striking aspects of this generator is its powerful output. With a peak wattage of 14,500 watts and a rated wattage of 12,000 watts, it can handle heavy-duty appliances without breaking a sweat. For households that rely on multiple power-hungry devices, such as refrigerators, air conditioning units, and medical equipment, this generator provides peace of mind. During a power outage, it can keep essential appliances running smoothly, thus maintaining comfort and safety. The tri-fuel capability is a game-changer. Gasoline is often the most accessible fuel source, particularly during emergencies when purchasing propane can be challenging. However, having the option to switch to propane or natural gas allows users to capitalize on different fuel availability and pricing, ensuring they're never left in the dark. The dual fuel system is particularly useful for those who live in areas prone to extended power outages or in regions where fuel supply might be interrupted. Another notable feature is the remote electric start, which significantly enhances user convenience. Starting the generator from a distance is a relief, especially during bad weather or in challenging conditions. The remote start function eliminates the need to go outside, making the process safer and easier. The inclusion of a key fob means you can start the generator from the comfort and safety of your home, a feature that really sets it apart from many traditional generators. In terms of design and portability, the Westinghouse 14500 generator does not disappoint. It comes equipped with a rugged frame and wheels that make it easy to transport. Weighing around 200 pounds, it's not the lightest portable generator on the market, but the wheels and handle allow for easier maneuverability. The generator also features a foldable handle, enhancing its compact design, making it easier to store when not in use. The control panel is user-friendly and well-organized. It includes multiple outlets, including 120V AC, 12V DC, and USB ports, making it versatile for various uses. The inclusion of an RV-ready outlet is a thoughtful touch for campers and outdoor enthusiasts. Additionally, the LCD display provides crucial information such as wattage use, remaining runtime, and maintenance reminders, allowing users to monitor performance at a glance. Noise levels are always a concern with generators, and the Westinghouse model performs admirably in this regard. While it is not the quietest generator available, it operates at a reasonable decibel level given its power output. Users can expect a low rumble rather than a disruptive roar, making it suitable for residential neighborhoods where noise restrictions may apply. Fuel efficiency is another key consideration, and this generator does not disappoint. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, it can run for up to 12 hours on a full tank at a 50% load when using gasoline. This impressive longevity means fewer trips to refuel during extended outages, further enhancing convenience. Maintenance is straightforward, largely due to the user-friendly design. The generator comes with an easy-to-follow manual, and routine checks such as oil changes and filter replacements are manageable even for those who may not be mechanically inclined. Westinghouse also offers excellent customer support, which is reassuring for first-time generator users. There are some drawbacks, however. The generator's weight makes it less portable than some lighter models, and while the remote start is a fantastic feature, the key fob can be misplaced, potentially complicating startup during an emergency. Additionally, there may be some initial setup required for those unfamiliar with generator operation, particularly regarding the tri-fuel capabilities. In conclusion, the Westinghouse 14500